Alright, these will be the elevators at the music building here at ASU Tempe. Let's go down for, they finally fixed them. We're gonna ride the small elevator first, and then we'll get the big elevator. These are Dover vandal resistant. Let's go to B. Let's go to 3. At 3, we'll get off and we'll get the huge elevator. Huge elevator is my favorite because it has a very epic motor. Right, we get to call it here. Oh, I love that motor. But this is the huge, humongous elevator. It's the size of a freight elevator. Just probably one of my favorite elevators at the ASU Tempe campus because of how big it is. Let's go to B. We're gonna get off at 3. £8,000 capacity. Wow. Now let's listen to this very epic motor.